guys, just want to show you what I'm having for lunch. It's a super simple recipe that includes bananas. I'm going to have 4 bananas, cherries, and I was going to use sesame milk, but I'm avoiding any fats right now until I'm fully finished my period, and then I'll dive back into that. But I'm making a cereal and I thought it would be really yummy to have sesame milk, but instead I'm going to make banana milk, and it's, you know, just as simple. All you have to do is add banana and water to the blender and blend away and make the milk. So here we go. So I do 2 bananas, oops, and there's about 2.5 cups of water there. Good. So bananas are a huge staple in my diet. I find that there's really a lot of things that you can make with bananas too. You can do banana cereal, which is what I'm doing now. You can do dehydrated banana pancakes, which are fun. Dehydrated cinnamon rolls with bananas. A ton of raw recipes are done with bananas. You could do a celery slaw with banana. I'm sure you guys have a lot of ideas yourselves. If you do, make sure you leave them in the comments. Love to learn some new banana recipes. But yeah, there's probably hundreds of yummy banana recipes. So, okay, so we've got the bananas, and I've got some cherries. These were frozen. They are from the Canadian Fruit Festival. These are, yeah, local, organic, and they're in all their juices. So I'm gonna add just about, I don't know, a cup of cherry juice and cherries. So that's what that looks like right now. Super yummy. And then here's the banana milk. So there's made tons, and I like it a little bit thick. I'm just gonna pour that on the cereal. So this is a really good recipe to have with kids, or you know, you could have it as for breakfast, for lunch. Sometimes I have it for dinner. Sometimes I throw some romaine lettuce in there. The options are endless. So yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch. Super simple, only takes a couple minutes, raw food, never has to be complicated. It can be as simple as peeling the banana, or you know, cutting one up, or even making a gourmet raw lasagna is fun too. But yeah, I like to keep things simple, so there you have it. Okay, enjoy. Bye guys. And now for the taste test. I'm gonna swish all the cherry juice around. Ooh, cherries and bananas. Mmm. It's really good. Enjoy, guys.